The hardest part about a breakup is realizing the person you were ready to fight for stopped fighting for you. And that pain, it sits in your chest at 2 a.m. while the world sleeps. It follows you into the gym, into the shower, into silence, into every song, every memory. But listen carefully. This is the moment that decides who you become. Because heartbreak does one of the two things to a person: it either destroys them or it introduces them to someone they have never met before. A stronger, colder, disciplined version of yourself. Right now, you have two choices. You can sit in your room replaying old conversations, stalking their social media, or you can take all this pain, all this rejection, all this anger, and build something dangerous with it. Most people never recover from heartbreak because they make sadness their identity. They stop training, stop building, stop dreaming. They become addicted to comfort, addicted to distraction, scrolling for hours just to avoid hearing their own thoughts. And slowly, they disappear. Not physically, but mentally. You know what's terrifying? Some people get heartbroken once and stay broken for the next 10 years. Don't become that person, because the truth is, the breakup was not the end of your life. It was the exposure of your weakness, your dependency, lack of purpose, need for validation, fear of being alone. Pain reveals what pleasure hides. And maybe that's why this happened. Maybe life needed to isolate you so you could finally meet yourself without distractions. Because growth is lonely. There will be mornings where your chest feels heavy, nights where memories attack you out of nowhere, moments where you want to text them, call them, or go back. Don't. You need to understand something. Nobody is coming to save you now. Not your friends, not motivation, not revenge, not another relationship. You have to save yourself. You have to wake up when your mind tells you to stay in bed. You have to train when your heart feels shattered. You have to work when nobody claps for you. You have to build discipline while emotionally bleeding. That's what separates average people from powerful people. Anybody can smile when life gets good, but the people who become unstoppable, they learn how to move forward while carrying the pain. That's real strength. Real strength is silence, consistency, control. It's rebuilding your life brick by brick while nobody notices. One workout, one early morning, one disciplined decision at a time. And one day, without realizing it, you wake up different. Their name no longer controls your emotion. Their absence no longer destroys your peace. The memories lose their power, and suddenly you understand something that weak people never do. The breakup was a gift because it forced you to evolve. So stop sitting there waiting for closure. Closure is earned through action, through sweat, through suffering, through rebuilding. Now get up, because the version of you created through suffering is waiting on the other side of discipline.